Have you ever wondered why you keep waking up at 3 a.m. every single night, even when you go to bed feeling tired and ready for deep rest? You are not alone. Thousands of seniors experience this strange nightly awakening, and most of them do not understand why it keeps happening. Tonight, I want to talk to you not just as a doctor, but as someone who truly cares about what your body is trying to tell you. If you or someone you love keeps waking up around 3 in the morning, stay with me until the end of this video, because what I am about to share can change your nights forever. And as you listen, I want you to leave a comment if any of these reasons sound like your story, because your experience might help someone else who is silently struggling right now. Let us begin. The human body follows something called a circadian rhythm. It is like a natural clock inside you, guiding when to sleep, wake, eat, and heal. But as we age, that clock can lose its rhythm. When you find yourself wide awake at 3 a.m., it is not random. It is your body signaling imbalance. The first reason you may keep waking up at this exact time is linked to your liver. Between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., your liver is in its most active detox phase. That means it is working hard to process toxins, hormones, and waste that your body has accumulated during the day. If you wake up around 3 a.m., it could be your liver crying for help. Over time, medications, processed foods, alcohol, and even environmental chemicals can overload this organ. The liver acts like a natural filter for your blood, breaking down substances like cholesterol, drugs, and old hormones. When it struggles, it releases stress signals, and your brain responds by waking you. Some people describe this as feeling restless, hot, or anxious during the night. If this sounds like you, it might be time to give your liver a little kindness. Eat foods rich in antioxidants like berries, dark leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or cauliflower. Drink enough water to help your body flush toxins naturally. And if you can, try to reduce late-night snacks, as your digestive system also slows down at night. The second reason seniors often wake up at 3 a.m. is related to blood sugar fluctuations. Many people assume only diabetics need to worry about this, but even small dips or spikes in blood sugar can affect sleep. Here is how it works. When you eat carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, your body's main source of energy. If your blood sugar drops too low during the night, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline to bring those levels back up. Unfortunately, those hormones can also make your heart race, your mind alert, and your body restless. That is why some people wake up suddenly feeling anxious or even hungry at 3 a.m. To stabilize your blood sugar, try having a light protein-rich snack before bed, like a spoon of peanut butter, a boiled egg, or a handful of almonds. These foods release energy slowly and can help your body stay balanced through the night. The third reason you may wake up at 3 a.m. is emotional stress, often hidden under layers of daily life. You may think you are fine, but your subconscious mind remembers every worry, every regret, every moment of grief. Around 3 a.m., when the world is quiet, your body's stress hormone, cortisol, tends to rise slightly in preparation for the new day. If your stress levels are already high, this cortisol surge can wake you up. Chronic stress affects the adrenal glands, two small organs sitting above your kidneys. They release hormones that control your blood pressure, metabolism, and energy. Over time, if your adrenal glands are constantly stimulated, they can become exhausted, leading to what many call adrenal fatigue. This can cause sleep disturbances, low energy, and feelings of anxiety at night. If you relate to this, it is not just in your mind. Your body is signaling burnout. Practice deep breathing before bed. Try to slow your heart rate. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. It tells your brain that it is safe to rest. You deserve that peace. Now, the fourth reason many seniors wake at 3 a.m. involves your bladder and kidneys. As we age, the muscles that control the bladder become weaker, and hormone changes can make us produce more urine at night. This condition is called nocturia. It is incredibly common, but often ignored. The kidneys filter your blood to remove waste and balance minerals like sodium and potassium. When these organs become overworked or dehydrated, your body may wake you to eliminate more fluids. Sometimes the issue is not just the bladder, it can be tied to medications like diuretics, which are used for blood pressure or even to poor circulation in the legs. If you find yourself getting up multiple times a night to urinate, try limiting fluids 2 hours before bedtime and elevate your legs for 20 minutes in the evening to help redistribute fluids. And please, never feel embarrassed to discuss this with your doctor because it can be managed. Now, the fifth and perhaps most underestimated reason for waking at 3 a.m. is low oxygen levels. When your body's oxygen saturation drops during sleep, your brain receives an alert and wakes you to breathe more deeply. This can happen if you suffer from sleep apnea, nasal congestion, or even heart and lung conditions that reduce your oxygen intake. Sleep apnea means your airway temporarily collapses during sleep, cutting off airflow for seconds or even minutes. Your brain then sends an emergency signal that wakes you up to resume breathing. Many seniors live with undiagnosed sleep apnea and believe their nighttime awakenings are just a part of aging, but they are not. Low oxygen can lead to fatigue, memory loss, and even strain on your heart. If you snore loudly, wake with a dry mouth, or feel exhausted despite sleeping all night, ask your doctor for a sleep study. Treating apnea can transform your nights and your mornings, but let us go even deeper because there is more to this story. Waking at 3 a.m. can also reveal spiritual or emotional imbalance. In traditional Chinese medicine, this time is associated with the liver and the emotion of anger or frustration. It is believed that unresolved emotions can disturb energy flow through the body's meridians or energy channels, leading to restlessness and sudden awakenings. Whether or not you believe in this philosophy, it reminds us that the body and mind are deeply connected. When we hold on to pain, guilt, or resentment, it manifests physically. So ask yourself, is there something I need to let go of to truly rest? Sometimes healing is not just about the right supplements or medications, but about emotional release. If you can relate, share your thoughts in the comments. Others reading your story may feel less alone. You see, sleep is one of the body's greatest healers. During deep sleep, your cells repair damage, your brain clears toxins, and your immune system grows stronger. But when that healing time is interrupted night after night, it can slowly affect everything: your memory, your mood, your balance, even your heart health. Studies show that poor sleep can increase the risk of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and even Alzheimer's disease. The good news is that it is never too late to improve. Small changes can make a big difference. Create a bedtime ritual that signals peace to your mind. Dim the lights an hour before bed, turn off screens, and listen to calming sounds like gentle rain or soft piano. Keep your bedroom cool, because your body naturally lowers its temperature to fall asleep. Use a supportive pillow to align your neck and spine, and if you can, invest in a mattress that supports your body's pressure points. For seniors especially, proper spinal alignment is key to reducing nighttime discomfort that can cause awakenings. If you wake up at 3 a.m., do not fight it. Instead, focus on your breathing. Avoid turning on bright lights and try progressive relaxation. Start from your toes and work your way up, relaxing each muscle. This tells your body to drift back to sleep naturally. Sometimes waking at that hour can be an opportunity to listen to your body, your thoughts, your emotions. Maybe it is trying to remind you to slow down, to nurture yourself, to forgive someone, or to release fear. Every 3 a.m. awakening has a story behind it, and the good news is you can change how that story ends. You are not broken, and you are not alone. You simply need to understand the signals your body sends. So if you have been waking up at 3 a.m. often, remember these 5 major reasons: your liver working overtime, your blood sugar dropping, your stress hormones rising, your bladder signaling, or your oxygen levels falling. Each has a solution, and you can start healing tonight. I would love to know in the comments which of these reasons sounds like your experience. Has your doctor ever mentioned any of these? Or have you discovered something that helped you sleep better? Sharing your journey could inspire someone else to find peace tonight. And if this message has helped you, please give this video a like because it helps spread awareness to others struggling in silence. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning after a full, peaceful night of sleep, feeling refreshed, your mind clear, your body steady, your heart calm. That can be your reality. You have the power to restore your sleep and your health by understanding what your body is truly saying. So tonight, before you close your eyes, whisper to yourself, "My body is healing, my mind is resting, and I am safe." Let that comfort carry you into the deepest, most peaceful sleep you have had in years. And when you wake tomorrow, let it be because you are ready for a new day, not because your body is crying for help at 3 a.m. Thank you for staying till the end, my friend. If you found this helpful, please comment below which tip resonated most with you and subscribe for more senior health insights. You are never too old to feel young again, and it all starts with one night of truly restful sleep.